What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, we do have an update on Velo. And as you guys can see, this crypto has been performing very well over the last month or so. Majority of it has been green candles. We have seen the odd red candles in between, but overall it has been bullish. So what is next for Velo? In the last 24 hours itself, it has pumped up over 22%, currently valued at 0.02692 cents. So is it going to keep pumping over the long term? Is it still worth investing into it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it worth selling it, taking out some profit? So we are going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its prediction in 2024, looking at how high and how low it can go, and is it worth investing into it. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But as you guys can see, it has been literally breaking through every single resistance level here since, let's have a look here, mid-April. About 3 weeks ago it was in the red zone, and right now it is in the blue zone, near about hitting the top tier level, which I will also be going through later on in the video. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Velo, which is here in purple, at just over 2 cents. And we can see the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at 0.026 cents, getting closer to the 3 cents target, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours from Velo, potentially trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, is what I'm expecting. Reason being is I'm also expecting it to hit red candles in between, taking a little bit of a dip in between before it pumps back up. So it is likely to be quite volatile with both green and red candles. But once again, the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side, heading over 0.028 cents in value is where I'm expecting Velo to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday. Moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid to end of next week, we still have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking a little bit too steep, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems. Reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump that's been taking place over the last few days. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace, which again is not really realistic. However, I'm expecting it to head past the 3 cents target by mid to end of next week, guys. Reason being is it has been performing quite well. We can see the crypto market, well, it's not really recovering. It is slowly starting to do so, but it is taking major drops in between as well, which Velo really isn't doing. That is not really following the red candles, but it is, yeah, increasing in value at a slow and steady pace. Don't get me wrong, it is likely to hit red candles in between as well. However, I'm expecting it to head over the 3 cents target potentially by mid to end of next week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line again are still looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the blue line is looking a little bit too steep as well. So once again, this is not as realistic as it seems. However, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, early late June, early July, I'm expecting Velo to be getting closer or potentially even past the 5 cents target is what I'm expecting right now. It may not seem like a huge increase, however it's near about 100% from where it is at the moment, which is quite huge personally. So yes, I'm expecting it to potentially get very close to the 5 cents target, and we should see more bullish candles from not just Velo or Bitcoin but the crypto market in general. As I mentioned previously, I'm expecting Velo to be I'm expecting Bitcoin to be hitting a new all-time high potentially by mid-year, which should then have a positive impact on the crypto market. So what we're going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the blue zone and we are literally very close to hitting the resistance level to head into the top tier level, which as I mentioned earlier, I am expecting it to do so potentially in late May and early June, and heading into the top tier level here, getting past the 3 cents target. But guys, do bear in mind, it is crypto, it is a volatile market, so it is quite volatile. So what we're going to do now is get rid of the Fibonacci scale and head into the CoinMarketCap website here. The trading volume has gone up over 65% in the last 24 hours, making it over $98 million in trading. Reason is quite obvious, the crypto has been pumping quite a bit over the last 24 hours, so we are seeing a lot more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view. Moving on to the daily chart here, we can see again the crypto has done 40% increase and over the month 74%. Again, it may not seem like a lot, however when cryptocurrencies do a slow and steady increase in value just like this one here, you know that it is much more sustainable, meaning it is very likely that the crypto is going to not crash at a heavy pace. However, this depends on the crypto market, crypto news and so on. And yeah, this is my take on Velo. Are you guys expecting Velo to hit the 10 cents target by the end of the year? Personally, 10 cents is pushing it a little bit, because for it to hit 10 cents is going to require major increase in value, which I'm not expecting at the moment. However, I have seen a lot of people saying Velo is more than likely going to hit 10 cents, which I slightly disagree with. Maybe next year, yes, it is likely to get closer to the 10 cents target, but not at the moment. Let me know what your thoughts are on Velo hitting the 10 cents target. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.